You sat idle in your bronzy, brilliant hair. 1,000 passed and never saw.
Today, we are all here to support Harriet and Maria Rochelle
But my gaze was always
to have a
fixed
happy,
upon
wonderful, and long lasting marriage.
And I picked you up and brushed you off and kept
From the moment you came into my life, you've been my safe place and my greatest blessing.
12 years na ang nakalipas simula nung mag-umpisa ang ating kwento. 12 years na kulitan, tawanan at pagsubok.
Ready ka na ba ikasal?
Yes na yes!
Be angry, but do not sin. Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry.
And beautiful is what you are.
Sa loob ng 12 years, ikaw ang aking kakampi, sandigan at inspirasyon.
Make you talk. So this is not my favorite part. This is me following my heart.
I can't wait to build a lifetime of memories with you. To travel new places, grow together and create a beautiful future.
And dance, I want your body in my hands. There's a song inside of me. I'll be
Ako hindi ko siya magaling magpakilig pero salamat.
you stop and dance with me, and you go I've got time. You dance for me.
Ngayong araw, sa harap ng ating pamilya, mga kaibigan at kakilala, pinipili pa rin kita. Hindi dahil sa tagal ng ating relasyon, kundi dahil sa lalim ng pagmamahal na patuloy na lumalago sa bawat taon.
Alam kong dream country mo ang Japan, kaya ito ang gift ko sa'yo para dalawang pangarap mo ang tutuparin ko. Ang makapunta ng Japan at makasal sa akin.
You are my partner, my best friend, and my greatest blessing. I love you more than words can ever say.
Wow! Ang ganda ng anak ko! Ang ganda!
Patuloy kitang susuportahan sa lahat, gaya ng pagsuporta mo sa akin.
I vow to love you not only in the big moments, but also in the quiet, ordinary days we will share.
Magiging kakampi mo sa lahat ng laban at magiging tahanan mo sa lahat ng oras.
I promise to be your partner, your cheerleader, and your best friend for the rest of my life. With all my heart, I choose you today and always.
Take